Yeah, you already know. It's your boy DP, and I could get in my feelings and shit, cause I'm in feelings type nigga, you feel me? Look, they be like, I can't believe y'all I'm up this road. In college though, yeah, it been a long toll. My life ain't easy, never easy. Man, if life was easy, it'd be breezy easy. But enough of that, but enough of raps. But enough for chip talk and talking, doing that. Talking about flossing things, talking about pricing things, talking about two things to obtain, talking about changing things. I want to maintain and change levels, different time. This is time, so it hit the rhyme. Knowledge is everything, so a brother gotta seek it. God is what we want, God is what we being. I'm made in the image, ain't going out yet. Can we check my past? Don't track this check, don't check my life, cause I'ma live it right. I'm living up, doing the thing all night. I've been thinking about my past kinda lately. Been thinking about this pain I've been feeling daily. Been thinking about this sacrifice, living these many lives. Had to make up my mind, I had to just live it right. So I'm focused, not open, DP, yeah. And I'm rolling, and I'm scoping, but I'm sliding. Have a lifestyle and I'm riding. And I'm judging up and I'm woo. And I'm bliving up and I'm ooh. Ooh, we yeah. I can't believe that I done changed in this 360 life frame. Doing things in my life I always want to do. Motivate, show the world it's kinda true. I only want the truth, so I'ma show you through. This truth is what I've been seeking. But this truth had your mind thinking different beings. Are we really supposed to be here? Do we really supposed to go there? Do we really supposed to feel this way? Do we really supposed to go that way? Do we supposed to hurt our brother? Do we supposed to love our brother, love our mother, love our sister, hug our girl and hug our sister? And I love it, dope, but I feel it, dope, but I feel it. Listen, I'm confused that it's life that we choose. This road that we go, this switched up, this flow that you must know. I just got